What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start building my drawers for my overland build. Got my Escalade back there in the garage, and I got some rough plans right here for what I want to do. I want to have this like drawer box, and I'm gonna have a platform on a hinge. Kind of hard to explain right now, but I got a real rough idea what I want to do. So yeah, got some wood, got everything I need. We're gonna start building these drawers. Alright guys, this is what I got built so far. Got the top right there, the drawer that slides in right here. So now I'm gonna work on securing this to the Escalade. I'm just gonna use two of these tie downs on this side. I did originally want to use one on this side and one on that side, but the drawer is gonna be there on that side, so it would just be harder for me to do. So if I just do two on this side, as long as it's secured in 2 points, it should be good, because it's pretty heavy too. So I have it measured out to where I need to drill. I'm gonna go under here, come up through my wood, and then anchor it down. So that's what we're working on right now. I haven't even tightened it down yet, and it's like really secure. It can't really go anywhere because one, it's a tight fit already. I'm gonna put a couple boards on this side coming up to like here, but I think one's just gonna do it. Yeah, it can't move at all. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, so now that I got that figured out, I took it back out just to make things easier for me to work on it. I have an idea for the sides right there. Just gonna use these boards like this, put them like there. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. Making some progress. Just like that. Got my little drawer. Making some progress. So I just took the top off over there. I have this gray carpet that I ordered off Amazon. It's just regular, I don't know, it was pretty cheap stuff, regular carpet. But I was gonna do black, but I wanted to try to match the interior a little bit. So I got this gray color. Doesn't match perfectly, but it'll look pretty good once it's on there. So this side, I have some rubber coming, I'm gonna put on there. This side, gonna be this carpet. Top will be carpet. This side will be covered with carpet. So yeah, we're gonna work on that now. I got a staple gun here and some spray adhesive. So we're just gonna work on covering this box with this carpet. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. Just put everything in, got it tied down. Like I said, just in that one spot. But since it's such a tight fit, it really can't go anywhere. Right now, I just have a couple screws in the front holding this top down because I have to take the top off tomorrow to install the slides for this drawer. The only thing I haven't done yet really is install these drawer slides, but got pretty much everything else done. Got this, I left this part open like I was saying. For you guys who don't know, I'm actually gonna be using these boxes, turning this Escalade into like a hunting camper. So I'm going to be using this mostly for hunting and fishing. So I left this side open with this little ledge here so I can put fishing rods in here, or shotguns, rifles, stuff like that. Anything long can go over here, or anything that's bigger, maybe extra boots. I'm not sure yet what I'll do in there exactly, but left that side open. Now I'm still planning on putting like a drawer set up right here. I'm gonna have like a box that goes over, so I'll have like a flat wood surface going over that way, and then maybe right here I'll have another just a real small drawer that slides out. I'm not sure yet exactly what I'll do. We'll figure that out later. I got this little side wood side panel here. Like I was saying, you can stuff extra clothes back here, anything soft, blankets, pillows, stuff like that. I'm planning on getting a little mesh thing that I can hook right here, and then I can have a couple anchor points on here where I can like hook it to keep things secure that you stack all the way up to the window. I still plan on putting a little piece right here that goes maybe up all the way. So we're not completely finished yet, but it's looking really nice. Also plan on putting a little piece right here. If you guys watch a lot of my videos, you're probably tired of me saying this, but it's not the prettiest job in the world. Like, you can see staples and stuff, but I think it looks pretty good. It's gonna serve a purpose. So for the drawer, like I said, I still have to install the slides, but I got this little lock latch just to keep it secure. I have 36-inch slides coming. I plan on putting in a couple more of these, maybe another one right here with a center divider, then leave a big one open. Might do something like that. I'll show you the bed frame. This is the little platform for the bed. You just gotta put these seats down. This little platform is on hinges. It just swings right up. I might have to move my seat a little bit. My front seats are back pretty far, so there we go. Just like that. And now it sits on the headrests of the seats, and it makes it pretty much level. I think I might add another little support underneath here just to help it a little bit, give it a little more support. Once that swings open, then you have a nice long frame for a bed. I have a tri-fold mattress I'm gonna buy that I can fold up when that's folded in and I'm using the seats. So this is where the long things will come through, right here. I can grab things. I have access to this. So that's another reason why I left this open. And I have tons of storage underneath here. Put all kinds of different things under there where you can access pretty easily. The problem is this seat's back really far, so this isn't all the way forward, but this comes right up like that. So once I have my little box built right here that goes like this, I might do a little thing right here for an extra table, like it might be a swing out. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, but there is gonna be a little box right here that will be to like here up. So it'll give me a nice shelf to put bigger things on, like a fridge or a cooler or whatever. These are for a 2002 Cadillac Escalade, but they'll work for the same year Yukons, GMC Yukons or Chevy Tahoes from, I believe, 99 to 06. I built this box so that there's a little bit of room between the seat and the box, because these seats recline and they're able to fully recline even with this box in here, because the whole idea of putting this in here was to keep it as factory as possible so that I can take it out one day if I want to sell it and upgrade, and there'll be no signs that it was ever in here. So I wanted to keep everything pretty much stock as much as I could, and just fit it in. So it's nice if I have passengers who want to recline their back seats, they still can. So I thought that was a nice little touch. Yeah, I got this carpet off Amazon for 40 bucks. It was plenty to do all this. The only thing I didn't cover was the very bottom. Let me know what you guys think. It's gonna be a real practical build. But like I was saying before, I have there's a few hunting spots I go to, and it's like a 3-hour drive. So instead of having to drive, like wake up super early in the morning, like 3 in the morning, and drive 3 hours somewhere to go hunting to a hunting spot because you want to normally get there before light. So instead of getting up super early, I can just drive to the spot at nighttime, the night beforehand, and just crawl in the back, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and do my thing. So I'm really excited about this. So like I said, I got a few more things planned, but it's really coming along. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see the future videos of this and see how it turns out. I got lots planned for this Escalade overland build. Do me a favor and hit that like button down below. Really helps out the video, helps out the channel. And that's it, guys. I hope you have a great day. Peace.